Excusing the ongoing thunderstorm, this is just a quick update on this. It's from 2008. I've had this for like 2 or 3 years now. It's a Frigidaire built by Electrolux. That shininess you see, that's just rubberized caulking sealant that I had to use to keep water from leaking in. It still runs. See if it'll kick the compressor on for me. There you go. Still runs, still noisy, barely cools. It's nothing like the Medea in the living room. This has a Great Ocean fan motor and a Quinn-Gain compressor. Still nothing. It's starting to build pressure now. Wouldn't be surprised if it's low on charge. There you go. Now we're getting something. You can hear the refrigerant boiling now. Still not that cool. I think it's safe to say this unit's not got too many more years left in it, but it eventually gets cold. So I keep it in my kitchen because it's noisy at 6,500 BTUs. Here's the details on it. Yeah, it runs I-22, that's the only good thing about it. She's getting kind of cold. She's not quite started up yet. She's starting to. Yeah, this thing is silly. That William guy, or Butter, whatever his, Butter or Butler, whatever his name is, he would have some choice words about this thing. There you go. I think it's finally starting to get. Yep, it's. Now the stupid front panel would stop vibrating so much. That would be splendid. Why is this? So you can hear just how noisy this thing is. That's about as cold as it'll get. That's not quite. There you go. Yeah, she's finally starting to get to the point. Get down to it. You can hear. Yeah. There she goes. I got this thing for free from a family friend. And, I can kind of see why. So you know the fan motor's not bad. But something in that evaporator, I think it's either low on charge or it's restricted, but still works. Refuses to die. So I'll see you guys in the next one.